SOLA is a premium internal roller blind by Uniline, available in 5 system configurations, and a variety of add-ons, to suit your lifestyle choices. Why SOLA systems stand out is the technology behind the Planetary Gear Sidewinder. Increased durability with metal sleeve. 4-coil spring, to hold blinds up to 3 by 3 meters. 1 to 1.5 gear ratio, making it easier to lift, and the quick chain loading system. SOLA standard blinds are designed with a clean appearance, and a minimalistic appeal. Offering the best of both worlds, these blinds provide privacy and protection from the sun when pulled down. SOLA standard link blind systems enable you to place blinds side by side, with minimal light gap between the blinds. Ideal for wide windows, sliding doors, bifold doors and stacking doors. SOLA's day and night blind system combines 2 different types of blinds on a single pair of brackets. You can switch between blockout blinds for complete privacy and darkness, to screen blind to LED in natural light. Next is our day and night link blind system. These blinds can be controlled either individually or simultaneously, offering multiple options for functionality. Last of all, is the SOLA ROLLBOX blind system. This system blocks out light and increases soundproofing. Perfect for bedrooms, theater rooms and conference rooms. All SOLA blind systems are backed with a 5-year component warranty. Now available at a supplier near you.